2017 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find trip computer, child safety locks, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.